Welcome. If you want to find and manage sound settings in your Motorola Moto E7i Power, open the settings, find sound, and at the first we can adjust volume of media, calls, ringtone and alarm by moving these switchers on the left or the right. Here we can activate or deactivate vibration for calls. In this place we are able to enable and set up the do not disturb mode. Here we can find the phone ringtone. The same for the default notification sound, we can change it. Below, in the advanced, we can find other sounds and vibrations like screen locking sounds, touch sounds or power on sound, for example. You can turn them on or turn them off by tapping on the switchers just like that. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.